Hey guys, how are you guys doing? We are here at the ziplining course and we are going to go over a 9-course zipline. Let's see how this goes. What's up, champ?
What up, what up? Ready to rock and roll, baby?
So we're all prepped up, ready for the launch, and we're off to the site of the launch. We have 9 ziplining courses, and let's see how this goes.
And then right. Now go. Yep. Zip one. Woo! Come on up. We're gonna see how this goes. This might go terribly or this might go really well. Say hi, everyone.
Hi. Come on up.
Yeah. All right, let's go. Okay, right hand drop, break. Woo! Yeah, all the way around. I think this is how you stop. All right, we're 3 down, 6 to go. How's everyone feeling? Mom, how are you feeling?
Great. How was your experience? Were you scared at first?
I was scared, my legs were shaking, but I'm okay now.
Perfect, perfect. How about you?
Adventurous.
Adventurous. Lovely, lovely, lovely. How about you?
Feeling good.
Feeling good? Nice, nice. How about you? Good. Good. Amazing. I feel quite good about the experience. We've had slow speed so far. As the course increases, the speeds are gonna increase. So let's see how this goes. It's recording now.
All right, we're about to do this course. My boy Ritik's here.
Yeah, yeah.
We're about to jump that line. All right, come on. How we feeling, everyone? How we feeling? Look at this. Look at this. All right, all right. How we doing, everyone?
We're ready.
Woo! All right, I'm about to do this. Not sure if I'll make it, but I'll pray.
Is the wrist strap tight?
You'll make it, friend.
Bro, is your wrist strap tight?
Is my wrist strap tight? Who knows? We'll see.
Dude, don't wrist.
Woo! We're ready. We're ready, baby. Let's hit it. Let's hit it. Ready? Oh, one more.
There we are. All right, go ahead and take that step on down. Good to go.
Good to go?
Yep.
Woo! Woo! Yeah, baby! Woo! 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 Nice, bud. Hop up for me. Very good. Watch your legs, bud. Woo!
Clear, clear, clear. Head this way for me.
How you feeling? How you feeling?
This way, boss.
Oh,
this way.
Wrong way, wrong way. Feeling so good going the wrong way.
Join him over there.
Woo! How you feeling?
Good.
You great?
Yeah.
Woo! ILL, baby. Say I and I. Woo! My boy Ritik coming through. Woo! Attaboy, attaboy. Tuck him in, tuck him in. Yeah, baby. Ooh, 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 ooh. How you feeling? Live after action. Good. Live after action. Woo! Woo!
Calm down for me, bud. Clear, clear, clear. Head this way for me.
This way?
Yep.
Okay.
You're gonna wrap around to that.
Woo! Love it, love it, love.
Let's go. Woo! Alright, check this out,
Finally, we are back.
Like we're coming back from war.
We did it!
Krishna!